We are up here at the local watershed. They've got a backhoe, they said, has gotten too close to a pond and about ready to tip over into it. I think we just go down this hill, don't we? Yeah. Gotta be getting pretty close to it. He said the gate was open. Yeah, cutting through right up here. Yeah, back in the day, none of these roads had gates on them, and it was kind of a free-for-all. Everybody did pretty much whatever they wanted to. And then people started dumping garbage and everything else up here, and that was the end of that. Well, should be getting close. I think there's one more gate up here that goes right. I think that's the watershed. Now my truck's getting all muddy.
That needs a bath anyway.
Must be the gate they're talking about. They said they'd have open. And there we are. Let's find out where they're at. We'll have to back in there, or what we're gonna do. Walk in there and look at it first. Well, let's see what they got. One winch or two here. I don't see it yet. I don't know if I can make that corner or not.
There she is.
Oh boy. I'm probably gonna have to back out there. Well, no. Maybe we can make that corner. Actually, the road doesn't look too bad. I'm sure I'm gonna clear that over there.
Yeah, you got it over here.
You got it?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to use this. Clear it?
Yeah. Yeah, you got a good 1.5 2 foot.
Looks like we're going to use the side puller anyway. We'll have to have him pull forward a little bit. Now it's got a couple of chains on it. Yeah, we'll just get on the high side, pull his front end right around.
Okay.
We'll have to have him probably pull forward. It's going to be close. Yeah, we just get on the high side and pull it down. Okay. Let's see here. We need to have him pull that truck. We need to pull your truck forward about 20 yards, okay? Okay. Okay. Oh, hey. Right here. Right there. We'll put a chain on that. Once we start putting a little tension on it, I'll have him turn to the wheels a little left a little bit. We got a nice hook right here. We got a nice hook right there. What I'll do, I'll put a little hook on it, and I'm gonna stay down. I think I'm gonna back up a little bit more. I want to be Yeah, once I get tension on it, once I get a little tension on it, I'll have you,
You can pull the front end, then I can pull my
right. I was gonna say, I could dead pull this thing and I could just dead pull the whole thing. The only thing
it made fucking roll though. I mean, I was.
Now, question for you: would you have any like a 4x6 or something here that I could put? Any?
That would be the best right there.
You got anything else like that here? I'm gonna put that outrigger up. That ground's pretty soft there. I don't have.
Gotcha. So you want something to block the tires?
No. Let me back up. I got those big blocks. We'll throw a couple of big blocks underneath the outrigger on this side. We'll get her.
Oh, put that ball.
Yeah. Okay, so what we'll do. I got some boards I can put on there. Okay. What I'm gonna do here, let me kind of eyeball where I want it here. I want that front end to kick immediately. So what I'm gonna do, that tie down's right there. So I want you to stand right here. And when that pulley is in line with that, you stop me, okay?
It is rolled out.
It's rolled out? Okay, as soon as I start pulling, you'll probably just want to roll it out and maybe see if you can't, so we're not pulling a bunch of mud with us,
Right.
okay? Okay. Got her. Okay. I'll back her up a little bit. You line me up with that, okay?